Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix Bumble login issues. If you are experiencing login issues on Bumble, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, whether using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also, verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct phone number or email address and password associated with a Bumble account. If you have forgotten your password or believe it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email or phone to create a new password. You can also update the application. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Bumble application. Check for the updates in App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. You can also clear app caches in Android phone. If you are using an Android device, go to your device settings, find Bumble on the app list and clear the cache. This may resolve any temporary issues. If problem persists, uninstall and then reinstall the Bumble application to ensure that you have latest version and that any corrupted files are removed. Also check for account suspension. If you have violated Bumble terms of service, your account may be suspended. Check your email for any notifications from Bumble regarding this. If none of these above solutions work, you can contact Bumble support for assistance. You can do this through the application by going to Settings, Help and Support, or by emailing support@bumble.com. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login issues on Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.